here I am over at Laguna Beach, and it was actually pretty cool flying the drone with the help of a guy called Josh. Came through just when I needed him. All right, so one of the fears I have, literally speaking, is mastering my outside vlogging. Most of the time, I think it's easier to kind of stay indoors and bend the light using everything I have in the studio, but being outside and getting the vlog right using natural light is a struggle, but it's one of the things I want to master. So I'm out here at Laguna Beach, and in a minute you'll see all the drone footages that I got with the help of Josh. Josh, wherever you are, man, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for coming through with the propellers, and I will explain the story later. So for now, here we go. All right. They want us to be careful. It's a beautiful thing out here. Can you imagine living on the beach like this? It's a beautiful life. All right. All right, they want us to get out of here, so we gotta go. Hit that like button if you like the video, smash that subscribe button if that's what you're into, and I'll see you in the next video.